Today I'm taking a look at the 2-in-1 LED magnifying lamp. So we got instructions, 2 long arms with heavy duty magnets on the bottom, and we got 2 short arms. So I really like having that variety, that way if I need to get a little bit more reach I can do that, but if I just need it to be a little more stable I can use these shorter ones. So this is something I don't normally see. These are extra large alligator clips. And instead of just having some heat shrink around the teeth, it's actually got a full-on rubber mold on here. So these are very nice. Then we got our thumb nuts, and it looks like it actually comes with 2 more of those rubber molds. Here we got some hardware for the magnifying glass. It does come with a power adapter. This is good for 100 to 240 volts, so that's good for international or domestic, and it outputs 2 amps at 5 volts. And here is the magnifying glass. So the thing I can say I like about it right now is that this is a large magnifying glass. It also has regular push buttons, so that is much nicer in my opinion than the capacitive touch. Especially if you're just trying to feel around, this is a much better style button. And we have a large ring light on the bottom. We have a desk mount, so if you just want to spin this right onto the side of your desk, you can do that and then drop the magnifying glass in there, so you do not have to use the rest of the base. And here is the base plate. So it already has the rubber feet attached, which is very nice. This actually has 5 rubber feet, so a little bit more stability. So the adapter comes with a bolt pre-installed, and we got an extra. I'm going to drop that bolt in from the bottom, and we'll thread that adapter in on the top. And something I was wondering what these little pins were. So that is actually just to line that up so it doesn't spin. So that is actually a pretty good idea. So now I just have to drop the magnifying glass into the hole. That is ready to go. So it is slotted, so if we want to, we can actually run this in, and that'll prevent it from spinning. So if we want to make sure that this magnifying glass is going to be in a fixed position, we can do that. Or alternatively, we can loosen this guy back up and then we can rotate it. And I do like it has a nice plastic bushing in there so it doesn't make like a squeaky sound or anything like that. So we can adjust the color temperature, so whatever is more comfortable for your eyes. We can bring the brightness down, and we can bring the brightness up. Very nice. The alligator clips do have a hole in there, so we'll just line that up with our thread hole and drop our thumb nut in. So it's going to go through the hole and pinch it from the other side. So there we go. We got 4 new joints. All I gotta do is trim off those leads and that would be ready to go. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice tool.